a small avian creature, adorned in vibrant hues of golden yellow, resembling a burst of sunshine against a backdrop of foliage. Its feathers are soft and sleek, shimmering under the gentle caress of sunlight, with each plume meticulously arranged to create an exquisite display of color. The bird's slender body is gracefully proportioned, with a delicate beak tapered to perfection, ideal for plucking seeds and insects from its surroundings. As it flits through the air, the yellow bird moves with effortless grace, its wings beating in a rhythmic pattern that propels it through the sky with unparalleled agility. Its movements are a ballet of elegance and precision, weaving through branches and darting between leaves with a finesse that captivates onlookers. Upon closer inspection, one may notice the intricate details that adorn the yellow bird's plumage. Each feather is adorned with subtle patterns and markings, adding depth and character to its already breathtaking appearance. Tiny flecks of orange and gold accent its wings, creating a mosaic of color that seems almost too perfect to be the work of nature alone. The yellow bird's song is as enchanting as its appearance, a melodic symphony that fills the air with joy and warmth. Its notes are clear and pure, rising and falling in a harmonious cadence that echoes through the forest, captivating all who hear it. In folklore and symbolism, the yellow bird is often associated with happiness, prosperity, and enlightenment. Its presence is believed to bring good fortune and positive energy, making it a cherished symbol in cultures around the world. Overall, the yellow bird is a testament to the beauty and wonder of the natural world, a creature whose mere presence inspires awe and admiration in all who encounter it.